Hello, my name is Calvert Mata, and I'm going to do my presentation on attributes. I'm going to do first. I'm going to do the action attribute, and the action attribute is where there's two different ones: the absolute URL and the relative URL. We're going to talk about a little bit the absolute URL. So, and it's where to send the data when we hit submit. So I'm going to do my name here, Calvert. Last name Mata, and I'm gonna click submit. So that's gonna go to the absolute URL. So it's gonna go the URL and the domain. There's no information then. That's why it's not showing any information. So we go back, and if we look now, we're gonna do the relative URL, first and last name, and then here it's gonna go to our action here, which is if we hit submit, it's going to go to a file. It could be any type of file. It could be a PHP or HTML. So it's not found because there's no information on that file. So now that's what the action attribute talks about. So I'm going to do the method attribute. And the method attributes, there's two different ones. So we have the get and post. So I'm gonna write my name here again, and I'm gonna show you here. So this is how to send data from. So if we hit submit here, we'll be able to see here what the data is. It's up here. So I do my last name. It's gonna show here my last name and the action. Okay, this is an unsecure. This is an unsecure method. So the get. So this is used for querying strings in Google, and actually for bookmarking. So when you're going to bookmark something for the things that you're doing, whatever it is. So if you want to do something more secure that you don't want to actually, actually you can't bookmark or nothing. We're gonna write my name here, and I'm gonna show you that. And I'm gonna hit submit, and as you see, you can see what it is that you're doing. It gets stored into the body of the HTTP, and so it's a safe environment. So here you have it. These are the two different kinds of attributes I was going to talk to you guys today, and hopefully you have some suggestion for me. And thank you. Bye.